just going over this silver trade I practiced on Tuesday. I was looking to get long on silver after it had posted a new 6 month high, but fell short of a, its yearly high at 34,865. So that's what I was targeting from 34,5175 from the New York PM session. This would have been Tuesday, June 3rd. Today is Thursday, June 5th, 2025, by the way. And then update yesterday. Um, I was looking to add more pyramid entries with a little bit lower threshold from 34,4419, still targeting that 1 year high. And I let my SDK run in auto mode through this session, the New York sessions, as well as Asia and London overnight. And then surprisingly, looks like silver was pretty much the only asset that moved, especially for non-farm payroll Eve. I figure everything's just going to continue sideways, but not only did we take 34,865, but it went as high as almost, what is this, like 35.95. It's really popped off. Um, in between, this is London, and then this is the beginning of the New York AM session, 7 a.m. this morning. I mean, it just, not only did it reach the target outside of between these sessions, it just popped off. It's a little odd, but I mean, just for the London session, it did a little more than consolidate. It just took out this yellow line as the previous day's high. Um, but happy with the trade. I took this on testnet. Um, I had 13 pyramid entries total. I hope you followed along. And I was looking at these two up here and I was like, man, why are these two? I woke up and I was like, why are these two still open? It's because I forgot to set a take profit. Um, so I closed them, had a much higher percentage gain than the other 11. But anyway, um, good luck to you if you're trading non farm payroll Eve, folks. I'm out.